Now we will do some more problems related to Legendre differential equation. Observe that how to identify the differential equation is of Legendre type. Coefficient of y dash should be of the form ax plus b. Coefficient of y double dash should be along with the form of ax plus b whole square. Along with y double dash, square should be there. Along with y dash, power of ax plus b of the form power 1 should be there. Okay, so it is in that form, hence we identified it is a Legendre differential equation. Once we identify the given differential equation is of Legendre, then the standard procedure we are going to adopt it to simplify the differential equation into a differential equation of constant coefficient. So what is the standard procedure says? First do the substitution as log of 2x plus 1 as t, or you can take it as 2x plus 1 as e to the power of t. So with this substitution, 2x plus 1 into y dash will get converted as a into dy. What is a value here? 2. So 2 into dy. Similarly, ax plus b whole square y double dash, that is this term, will get converted into a general form as a square into d minus 1 into y. In this problem, what is a value? 2. So 2 square into d minus 1 into y. Now substitute that two conditions here and also see that right hand side term of x should get converted in terms of t. So substitute it, 4d into d minus 1 here, minus 6 as it is. This 2x plus 1 into y dash can be written as 2 into d, and 16, y taken common, 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square. So 2x plus 1 can be written as e to the power of t square, means e to the power of 2t. Okay. Now when you simplify, observe that 4d square minus 4d minus 12d plus 16. So they have divided it by 4. So you will get d square minus d minus 3d plus 4. So 4 cancelled here. Here 6 2s are 12, means 2 will be, 3 will be left out, and here 4 will be left out. So that itself. So d square minus d minus 3d plus 4 after dividing by 4. Here right hand side also you have to divide, so it will become 2. So when you simplify, you get d square minus 4d plus 4y equal to 2 into e to the power of 2t. So now the differential equation is converted into a differential equation of constant coefficient. Observe that coefficient of d is also constant, coefficient of d square is also constant. Now we know to solve such type of differential equation. Non-homogeneous, right hand side is of exponential function. So to find out the particular integral, type 1 we have to apply. And to find out the complementary function, we need to write the auxiliary equation, find out the roots. So auxiliary equation will be m square minus 4m plus 4. Root we get when you calculate it, m equal to 2 comma 2. Which type of root? Repeated and real. So how to write the complementary function? C1 plus C2 t. In terms of t you have to keep it in mind. In terms of t we should write here, because capital D is taken as d by dt into e to the power of 2t. Then yp 2 into e to the power of 2t. You can write it in this form or you can write it in this form. Okay. So this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is written as a minus b whole square. So in that form itself, f of d they have taken. You can take it in this form also, doesn't matter. Type 1, what it says, the procedure, replace d by a. So when I replace d by 2, 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So denominator when it becomes 0, what we should do? we should multiply it by a variable t here, not x, because independent variable is t here. So multiply it by t in the left hand side of the differential operator and differentiate this equation. So it is in the form of, if this bracket term, if I take x square, so it will be 2x2 into d minus 2, then derivative of d is 1. Now again replace d by 2. Coefficient of t is 2. So replace d by 2. So again it becomes 0. So again continue the procedure. Again introduce one more t. So become t square. 2 get cancelled. Differentiate this function once again. So derivative of d is 1. Constant is 0 into e to the power of 2t. So what is yp? T square into e to the power of 2t. So we need to write the complete solution as complementary function plus particular integral. If I write the answer in terms of t, it is a differential equation of constant coefficient. But I should write the answer for a differential equation of variable coefficient for Legendre. So I need to resubstitute what substitution I have taken it in the answer. Wherever t is there, write log of 2x plus 1. Wherever e to the power of t is there, write it down as 2x plus 1. Okay. So that substitution we are doing it here. C1 plus C2. Wherever t is there, log of 2x plus 1 I have written into. Observe that, leave this 2. E to the power of t should be written as, observe, e to the power of t. Only this term can be written as 2x plus 1. So power 2 is left out. So power 2 you should substitute. Plus t can be written as log of 2x plus 1 whole square. Again into e to the power of t is 2x plus 1 and square 2 is their power. So 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is the complete solution of the Legendre differential equation. Let us discuss one more problem in that. Solve this differential equation. You need to identify, see that along with y dash, the term of ax plus b is there. A value is here 3, b value is 2. Along with y double dash, ax plus b whole square form is there. So we can easily identify that this is Legendre differential equation. So what is the substitution? T equal to log of 3x plus 2 or e to the power of t equal to 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 into y dash will convert as 3 into dy. And 3x plus 2 whole square y double dash will convert as 3 square into d minus 1 into y. When I substitute it there, so it becomes 9 into d minus 1 plus 3 into 3 becomes 9 into d minus 36. Y is taken common. Now this right hand side term of x should get converted in terms of t. So how to convert? In this form directly I can't convert. So I write it x in the form of t as e to the power of t equal to 3x plus 2. So x can be written as, bring this 2 to left side. So it becomes e to the power of t minus 2. And bring this 3 to left side means becomes 1 by 3. So wherever x is there, write it down, substitute this. So x square, so 1 by 9 e to the power of t minus 2 whole square plus 4 into 1 by 3 x place, I am substituting e to the power of t minus 2 plus 1 as it is. So next step we simplify it. 1 minute. Here let me simplify first left hand side. 9d square minus 9d plus 9d get cancelled. So 9d square minus 36 will be in the left hand side. So taken 9 common, so left out with d square minus 4. 9 4 is 36. So 9 is taken common. And in the right hand side, we group the terms. Sorry, not group the terms. In the right hand side, here we have the term in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square formula is applied. E to the power of 2t plus 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 into e to the power of t. So e to the power of 2t plus 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 e to the power of t, and rest of the term as it is. Then they simplified the coefficients of e to the power of 2t is 8 by 9. But coefficient of e to the power of t, here one term is there, here one term is there. So they simplified with 8 4s are minus 32 by 9 plus 4 by 3 is minus 20 by 9. Use calculator and calculate. Similarly, constant term 8 4s are 32 by 9 minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 plus 1. Using calculator you calculate it, you get it as 17 by 9. Then take they have brought this 9 to right hand side, so it becomes 1 by 81. 9 square is 81. So 8 e to the power of minus 2t minus 20 e to the power of t plus 17. So solve this differential auxiliary equation. So m square minus 4, m equal to plus r minus 2, real and distinct root. So c1 e to the power of 2t plus c2 e to the power of minus 2t. So we wrote the complementary function. Here main thing you need to keep it in mind that to write the complementary function in terms of t, not in terms of x. Okay. Now let us find out yp. So here how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. So each of this term is divided by the operator d square minus 4, and all are of type 1 because exponential. Here you have to replace d by 2. So 2 square is 4 minus 4 becomes 0. Hence introduced t and differentiated d square as 2d. Here replaced d by 1. So minus 3 you will get. Here d by 0. Since it is constant. Observe, this is constant. So constant term you need to convert into of type 1 by multiplying that with e to the power of 0t. Such type we discussed in type 1 problems. Yes or no? So here I multiplied it e to the power of 0t. So type 1 replace d by 0. So you get minus 4. Only the first term is going to be, denominator term is going to be 0. Hence introduce t and differentiate d square as 2d. Again replace d by 2. 2 into 2 become 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So 2. Cancel 4 and 8. So you will get 2. Simplify, minus minus become plus. Here minus 17 by 4. So this is a particular integral. So now write the complete solution. Complementary function plus particular integral. And keep it in mind, we need to write the answer for Legendre differential equation, where we can substitute it. What we can substitute? T as log of 3x plus 2, and wherever 3x plus 2 is there, wherever e to the power of t is there, substitute it as 3x plus 2. So here c1 e to the power of 2t. So e to the power of t, I am writing it as 3x plus 2 whole square. Here again e to the power of t. See here how I am moving the cursor. This e to the power of t term I am writing it as 3x plus 2 whole to the power of minus 2. So minus 2 can be brought it to the denominator, becomes plus 2. Plus 1 by 18 in place of t, log of 3x plus 2. 2 as it is written. Again e to the power of t is 3x plus 2 whole square. 20 by 2 e to the power of t is 3x plus 2 minus 17 by 4. So this is the final answer for the given Legendre differential equation. Solve, practice it. I have given one more problem to solve it in the assignment. Solve all these 4 problems and submit it. Thank you.